My cousin and his friend are here. His friend builds an entire house by himself in Ethiopia. It's very, very professional. So I asked him to anchor the wall, and he's building me a platform, more than what I want, but I'm happy. So thank you. Gashi, salam bala. That's it? Nicely. Listen.
African style.
Yeah, this is East African style of building a house.
Build a house.
Watch, don't hurt yourself, huh? It's East African style of building a house, yeah?
That's right.
Huh?
That's right. You got it right, man.
You're building me a big platform?
That's right.
Huh?
Easy way.
Easy way, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Samson.
Yeah.
Yeah. Neno, ni sararo.
Okay.
Idula ka arale raizo. Yeah? Salam, I'm famous yokuno ko. I'm becoming famous now. You see Facebook, everyone's watching me videos. Huh?
That's nice, man.
But the main reason is to share information how to build the house. Yeah?
Oh.
Huh?
Amen. You got it right, buddy.
Okay. See you next time. Samson, how long does it take you to build this platform?
This guy
Huh?
he speaks the language of the
wood.
wood.
Yeah. Oromo?
If you need any
No, he doesn't speak
translation
Oromo.
about
He's
the
Cairo.
wood,
What?
Any translation about the wood?
Come
Come to Samson.
to Samson, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he, the footing, all the forms, all these forms he put together. All these forms, right? Yeah. Yeah, this looks nice. I guess this is how they put up a wall in Ethiopia, in East Africa, right? They literally, in East Africa, they literally shoveled a concrete all the way to the third floor, yeah? Arale? Sima? Huh? Sima, Samson? በአካፋ አይደለ እስከ ሶስተኛው ፎቅ ድረስ ሲሚንቶ Yeah, they hand build everything. They shovel an entire concrete up to like 10th floor or something like that. So I mean, there's no. I only ask for this wall to be anchored, but they insist that I need a platform, so I'm happy. So yeah, I just want to show you what. Hold on a second. Today is Sunday, May the 29th, I think. Hold on. So, when I get a help, it speeds up my construction. So I ask to anchor the outside wall to the bedrock, but he went a little overboard and built an entire platform. So hopefully by tomorrow we'll have all these lumbers anchored to the concrete. Okay, so thank you. So Samson is a builder in Ethiopia. He builds a house, and he insisted that he should build me a platform that will continue all the way up. So this is how they build scaffolding, I guess, in Ethiopia. And he said that any machines will cost thousands of dollars an hour, local money, like very expensive. So they use whatever they have to build it like almost manually using what do they use over there? Shovels. They literally shovel. They literally shovel concrete or many stories, up to 10 stories. They shovel concrete. So that's how they build it. So he's building me this platform. He insisted instead of using the zone system, which will brace from here down on a triangle, he's gonna build a straight line, kind of the same way this one is. He's just gonna build it up here all the way around, and I can stand on that and then build the next 3 course. Then I can put the zone bracket and then build the next 3 course. So it makes it much easier for me to install windows and everything. So we'll see how it will turn out. But it looks nice. I'm working on it. It's very safe. Feels great. So yeah, this is all scrap wood, and I'm afraid of falling. I have fear of falling, but I feel fine over here. Yeah, I have a fear of falling, man. Huh? Abdume is laughing at me. Yeah, so. Huh? Gandagara? No, I didn't live in Gandagara. I wish I lived in Gandagara. Huh? Yeah, you are from Gandagara. That's why you're not afraid, yeah? So. He's got assembly line going on. I don't know if you guys can hear me. So he measured every lumber and then he cut it all at once. And this is the jig that he built, which is an amazing jig here, amazing table. It took him like half an hour to build it. So something I learned. It's amazing. Now what he's doing is he's cutting my window box all at once. He has it measured, piled up. He has every lumber measured and then piled up and then cut it all at once. It's like a big operation. And next coming week, I have to put this together for the window box. All right. So yeah, this looks nice. So these are like the trucks to cut. He's gonna explain what these two are. I know what this is, right? But these two, I don't know. I think he said I can even convert one of these as a table saw. But he can explain to me and see how I can do that. This is how, you know, kind of in Ethiopia, you know, it used to be some of the words used in Ethiopia. Yeah, it's called modifica, they call it. It's Italian lingo. A lot of the wording for many trades are Italian wording. That's because Ethiopia has some relation with Italy because of because of the 5 years of not colonization, but 5 years of Italian occupation. A lot of trades are picked up from that. So for example, rebars is called tondino. That's what he refers to it. and then this is, he refers to it as a modifica. I think it's Italian. Modifica, right? So yeah, so you know, he built a lot of houses in Ethiopia, and he's very fast. Every time he comes here, I spend weeks and weeks, and do a little progress. He comes in 2 days, he makes like what it would take me 2 weeks to do. That's because I do a lot of things by myself. So yeah, so he was trying to build this window for me, but it was taking too long. So we decided that he's gonna do all of them, cut it all at once, and then I'll put it together. Okay. All right. See you next video. So they're building the biggest window. They're gonna put it together, show me how to use this table, and then they're gonna leave. If it wasn't for them, I would have probably, as rookie as I am, I would have probably cut every buck, put it separately. I wouldn't do an assembly line the way they're doing it. It's really nice. So I've seen now how the assembly line comes together. So they told me build it here, pile it up here, and then take it one by one. That's faster. So tomorrow, that's what I'm gonna do. Altogether, 9 windows and 4 doors is on this floor. So I have to make a buck for 9 windows and 4 doors. Now I videotape my work. I don't have a way to videotape myself a lot of times while I'm doing work, but yeah, I'm learning a lot, and I'm learning how to speed up things. Once I do things once, next time I'm faster. It's always the case. So thank you. Okay, here is the production line. When the assembly line is over, that is the second last window. 13 openings. That is 4 doors and 13 windows. One window is like 9.5 feet, the other one is 6 foot. The rest are 3 foot, and then there's like 2.5 foot. And the doors are, I think, 4 foot. So yeah, so my cousin and Samson just finished it. I'm gonna have to, I guess I was missing some number. I'm gonna have to add some more here to reinforce it, including cross bracing over here on the corner, 45 degree. Then I have to stand it there and then brace it, or at least the bigger windows. It also needs poly, the 2mm poly, the plastic. So I learned that it's like everything I learn as I go. The home hardware supplier, I always talk to them, and I didn't think 3D lumber needed some kind of layer in between the concrete. So he told me said that wood cannot touch concrete, so I need a plastic between the concrete and the wood. And then I also gonna screw 3-inch screw or 4-inch screw inside, so it anchors onto the concrete. So quite a few work, but majority of the work is done in one day, and then I'll take a week to finish it off. I have another friend who's gonna come help me. Some of my friends don't want to be in YouTube, some are okay. The main thing is that I don't have someone to videotape me on a camera, but maybe when my YouTube channel gets bigger, I'll get there. But for now, not. So yeah, this is what where we are at. That blue stuff is the PEX tube rigid foam, which I also have to install. So before a concrete is poured, there's a lot of little things has to be done. This one is from a company, I don't know, company Styrol. A lot cheaper than the big ones. It does the same job. So shop around before you make a decision on what you want to buy. So I purchased this because it's a lot cheaper than the other ones. What else? Okay, see you in my next video. All right, I guess working on last piece. Abdume, alagach.
Last one.
Last one. Okay.